Fixing Duplicate Bank Feed Transactions in QuickBooks Online, a Step-by-Step Guide 2025. Introduction to Duplicate Bank Feed Transactions. Duplicate bank feed transactions in QuickBooks Online can cause inaccuracies in your financial records and lead to incorrect financial reporting. To avoid these issues, it is essential to identify and fix duplicate transactions promptly. Step 1. Identifying duplicate transactions. To identify duplicate transactions, navigate to the Banking tab in QuickBooks Online and select the bank account that has the duplicate transactions. Click on the Transactions tab and sort the transactions by date or amount to easily identify duplicates. Step 2. Matching and merging duplicate transactions. Once you have identified the duplicate transactions, select the transaction you want to merge in. Click on the Match tab. Select the original transaction to merge the duplicate transaction with and confirm the merge. This will remove the duplicate transaction and keep the original transaction. Step 3. Deleting duplicate transactions. If the duplicate transaction was not matched to an original transaction, you can delete it. Select the duplicate transaction and click on the Delete button. Confirm that you want to delete the transaction and it will be removed from your bank feed. Best practices for preventing duplicate transactions. To prevent duplicate transactions in the future, ensure that you regularly review and reconcile your bank statements with your QuickBooks Online account. Also, make sure to set up bank rules to automatically categorize and match transactions. Regularly review your transaction list for duplicates and take corrective action promptly. Conclusion. Fixing duplicate bank feed transactions in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following the steps outlined in this guide and implementing best practices, you can ensure the accuracy and integrity of your financial records and avoid errors in your financial reporting. Regularly reviewing and reconciling your bank statements and setting up bank rules can help prevent duplicate transactions and save you time in the long run.